Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you some fabulous Kanjivaram silk saris. The wedding season is in full swing, and these Kanjivarams are just perfect for these kind of occasions. So let's get started with this beautiful collection. A Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a rare combination of green and blue. A Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a rare shade of beautiful leaf green. There are kattams or checks all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a beautiful turquoise color and there are quilkand motifs in zari along the borders. The pallu of the sari is in a beautiful turquoise blue similar to the borders and there are zari lines on the pallu. The sari has a short turquoise blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a diamond necklace. A very pretty Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a pastel pink with blue temple borders. A gorgeous Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very pretty pastel pink. The Korvai borders are in a beautiful deep blue and there are temples along the borders. This is a no zari Kanjivaram silk sari. The pallu of the sari is in deep blue and it has tarambu reku and lines in pink. The sari has a deep blue blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. Simple gold jewelry, silver jewelry or beaded jewelry will look fabulous with this sari. A Kanchivaram silk sari with thread work. This one is in a lovely and sunny yellow. A lovely sunny yellow Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a threadwork Kanjivaram. The body of the sari is in a beautiful happy yellow and there are threadwork motifs in red and beige color all over the body. The borders have floral threadwork motifs in red. The gorgeous pallu of the sari has elaborate threadwork motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast red or green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a kemp attige. A Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very beautiful combination and it is in a half and half style. A very contemporary and elegant Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram and it is in a half and half style. The upper half of the body is in a lovely ivory color. The lower half is in a beautiful Nagapara or Jamuni color and there are Korvai temples in between the two portions. The sari doesn't have borders. There are short pink selvages and zari along the borders. The sari has a pretty deep pink pallu. The pink provides a beautiful contrast to the body colors. The pallu of the sari has seepireke in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a beautiful deep pink. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a ruby necklace. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a rich mail kaluthu color. This one is an absolute beauty. A fabulous Kanjivaram silk sari in a royal mail kaluthu color. The body of the sari has small zari buttas all over it. The borders have quilkand motifs in zari. The breathtaking, grand and intricate pallu of the sari has gorgeous zari motifs of yali, diamond-shaped motifs and horse with a rider. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast zari tissue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very rare and unusual combination. This one is in a beautiful mehendi green colored body with beautiful deep plum borders. A majestic Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very unusual and hard to find color. The body is in a beautiful mehendi green and there are floral star-shaped buttas in zari all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a beautiful plum magenta and it has retepetal zari borders with quilkand motifs. The gorgeous pallu of the sari is in a beautiful plum color and the zari motifs on it are those of Gandaberunda, Yali and Banaras motifs. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with gold jewelry. You can shop for our gorgeous festive collection of Kanjivaram silk saris from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.